Hello ma'am, I am Janvic Namalata and this is my video presentation for the final exam. So for the first topic, I have the thermochemistry. So I have a chemical equation there and a problem. So the problem is how much heat is released by burning 28 grams of methane. And so this is my chemical equation. So methane combines with oxygen to perform carbon dioxide combines with water. And as we know, if we burn methane, we can get a lot of heat, and that's what represent delta H there. And if we burn 1 mole of CH4 or methane, we can get 890.4 kilojoules. It is negative. It's because it is an exothermic reaction, meaning the heat is released. So what we are gonna do first is to convert this 28 grams of methane to mole. So 28 grams of CH4 multiplied by 1 mole of CH4 over 1 mole of CH4 is equal to 16 grams of CH4. So wala na ako gipakita giyon sa nako pagkuha sa mole kay na lecture naman na sa mga previous nga topic. So ako na siyang gidiretso ma'am. Is equal to, so natay calculator diri. There. So first, cancel out si grams of CH4. So nabilin si 28 times 1 mole of CH4 over 16 grams. So 28 times 1 over 16. Kita 28 times 1 over 16 is equal 1.75 grams 1.75 moles of CH4. So karon kay naa naman tay mole, makuha na nato ang require. So balik ta diri sa equation. This equation states that 1 mole of CH4 is equal to 890.4 kilojoules. So 1 mole of CH4 is equal to negative 890.4 kilojoules. 1 mole lang. Pero the problem is 1.75 ang atong moles. 1.75 ang required. So what we are gonna do is 1.75 moles of CH4 multiply by 890.4 kilojoules over 1 mole of CH4 is equal to negative. So use the calculator. 1.75 times Ato sa dining cancel out si moles so CH4 and moles of CH4 times negative 890 over 1 ay 890.4. So the final answer is negative 1558.2. So 1558.2 kilojoules. So kana. Thank you ma'am. So for the second topic, I have the thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics. So here's the problem. Determine the change in the internal energy if 700 joules of heat energy were removed from it and if 400 joules of works was done on the system. So here's the formula that we're gonna use. Delta U is equal to Q minus W. So Q is equal to this 700 joules. I mean negative 700 joules. Meaning it is released. And W is equal to 400 joules. Negative 400 joules. So delta U is equal to this 700 joules minus negative 400 joules. So equals negative 700 joules. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. So plus 400 joules. So the final answer is negative 300 joules. So that's an example of the first law of thermodynamics. So thank you ma'am.